Have you ever wondered how to fill the freshwater tank on your new 2021 Tab 320 from a freshwater container? Hi, I'm Jen Grover. On this week's episode of Tab Talk, I'll go ahead and show you how to fill your freshwater tank using the siphon method and the Nautilus 2.5 water system. Stay tuned. Make sure you stay tuned until the end. I'm going to share a tip for you about water hoses that I think will make your life a lot easier. All new 2021 Tab 320s are equipped with the Nautilus Water System. The Nautilus Water System will make it easier to fill your freshwater tank from a city connection, from a freshwater container, and also make it much easier to winterize. There are diagrams right inside that show you the different valve configurations to sanitize, to fill your tank, or for dry camping. Today, I've connected a 5-foot Camco drinking water connector, and I'm using a freshwater container that I've already filled with water. I have the valve set to fill by moving the green valve horizontal and the blue valve vertical, so it's up and down. Once I have everything in place, I'm going to go ahead and turn the pump on. And you can hear it already start to fill. That's as easy as it is to fill the freshwater tank from a freshwater container. It does it very quickly. I've got a 5-gallon tank that I've already started filling. I just wanted to make sure it worked before I shot the video, but it is filling rather quickly. One thing to note, I've added a 90-degree elbow to make it easier to connect and disconnect, and I do have some quick connects that aren't on right now, but I do use to make it easier. I'll put a link for both of those products in the description below. If you're going to winterize, what you'll do is use the same valve configuration as filling from a freshwater container, and you'll siphon instead of from water, from RV antifreeze. A couple other notes about the Nautilus system and the configuration that nuCamp has. Your Aldi low point drains are both in here, making it very easy to empty at the end of the season, and the winter bypass switch is right inside. If you're filling your freshwater tank from a city connection, instead of using the left inlet, you'll use the right inlet. But since I'm using a freshwater container, I'm using the left inlet. Couple quick things before I wrap up. First, always use a water pressure regulator to make sure that you're controlling the flow of water into your freshwater or your city water connections. If you exceed 50 pounds of pressure, you can damage the plumbing inside of your tab. I've used brass water pressure regulators for the past 6 years and been very pleased with the results. Another thing that will make your life a little easier is if you use quick connects for your hose. If you do a search on Amazon for quick disconnects or go to your big box hardware stores, you can find these, and it makes it a lot easier because instead of plugging and unplugging every time, there's a fitting on each end that just connects to each other, and it makes connecting really quickly. The last thing I'm going to mention is the 0G water hose, which I have in my hands. As you can see, these hoses are very flexible and light. They fit very easily into storage containers so they don't take up as much space, and they're also very easy to maneuver. I started out with the hard plastic ones that made it very difficult to put away in storage and to maneuver when you're at a campsite or a water hydrant. I really like the 0G water hoses. There are different kinds, some for your garden. The one you'll want will be for RV and boats. The RV and boat hoses are usually a navy blue. You can find them at Camping World, Amazon, a lot of your big box stores. I'll put a link for that plus the other accessories I've mentioned in the description below. Well, I hope you found this video helpful and have more confidence about filling your freshwater tank using the Nautilus system. It's one of my favorite features on the 2021 Tab 320, and I hope you like it too. If this video has been helpful, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and then click the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you're notified when my next video is posted. Thank you for watching.